it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on side hustles that you can do from home with no investment. Now, I've tried a lot of side hustles. I've done drop shipping, I've done e-commerce, I've done surveys. I've tried a lot of things online to make money. And, some of these will actually make you some money, but the profit margins are generally so small on a lot of these that it's really hard to build the kind of income that you would want. For example, I was doing drop shipping where you're making $2 or $3 per product, and they were fairly easy to sell, but you'd need to sell like 1,000 or 2,000 of those to really make it worth it each month to hit a six-figure income, which is my goal. But I'd like to introduce you to a side hustle that you could start from home right now with zero investment at all. And that side hustle is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply the idea of recommending products to people that have a need or a problem, and recommending a product that's going to solve that need or problem that they have. So you're basically just connecting people that have a need to a product that will solve their need. For example, let's say you're in the weight loss niche, right? And you are going to be creating content in and around the weight loss niche, and you're going to be teaching people some simple things in various content forms about weight loss. And occasionally throughout those content, you're going to be recommending weight loss products, a product that you have found that is really going to help people. And as people go through your content and they get to know, like, and trust you as a person, they're going to take you up on the recommendation that you've made throughout your content for this weight loss product. And every time someone buys this weight loss product through one of your affiliate links, you make a commission. And you can absolutely start this business for free, mainly on social media, and that's totally free. You could drive all this free traffic to your affiliate products, all by creating simple content about the niche that you're in. And if you're doing it the right way, the way that I'm going to teach you, you could be earning commissions of $1,000 per sale. So rather than having to make 1,000 or 2,000 sales a month like I had to do with drop shipping, you could simply make 8 to 12 sales per month, and you're already making a six-figure income. So what it boils down to as an affiliate marketer is that you are developing a relationship with the people that come to your website or your YouTube channel or TikTok channel or wherever it is that you're creating this valuable content. They're coming there and they're learning from you. They're getting to know you, getting to like you, and getting to trust you. And because they've been getting value from you and they're getting to trust you, once you make a recommendation of a product to your audience, a certain percentage of them are certainly going to buy from you because you have this trust relationship with them. So in the end, affiliate marketing is an incredible business because it's really just people helping people. Someone with a need or a problem, they come to your website, you teach them something, and then you recommend a product that actually is going to help them solve that problem. As an affiliate marketer, the first step you want to do is to pick a niche that you want to promote a product in. So that niche could be, the weight loss niche, it could be the personal development niche, it could be the make money online niche, but whatever it is, you want to make sure that you have a real interest in this area. It is going to be something that you are passionate about. Another big niche is the pet space. All sorts of affiliate products around pets, and that could be your passion area. The next thing you're going to want to do as an affiliate marketer, you've got your niche picked out. Now you need to pick a super high quality product that you could promote to your audience. And again, this needs to be a product that is really going to solve a need that your audience has. I also recommend that it's a high ticket affiliate offer. If you're selling something that's only $25 or $50, you're going to need to make a ton of sales, and it's most likely just going to be some small product that may help someone, but you're going to find a lot more success if you pick a high ticket item where your commission is around $1,000 or more. Some of the marketplaces where you can find these affiliate products that you can promote are ClickBank, Share a Sale, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. There's a ton of them out there. But some of the best affiliate programs are actually not listed on the big marketplaces. You've kind of got to go out and find them yourself. If you want to check out my recommendation in the make money online space, I'm going to put a link below this video and you could kind of check out what this product is. I also recommend finding affiliate products that are digital products. That way you don't have to worry about inventory stocking, damaged goods and returns. Digital products are all delivered electronically. So there's really very little you need to worry about with this type of product. Now that you've picked your niche and you've found a good, high quality, high ticket product, now you need to pick a social media platform that you can start promoting this product on. The beauty of social media is that in one survey, 63% of the respondents said that they rely on influencers on their social media platforms to help them make purchase decisions. So this is absolutely the best way to promote affiliate products, because the people on social media are actually looking to influencers to help them. The next part is probably the hardest part, but you can do it. It's not that difficult to do. What you want to do is start creating content around the niche that you have chosen to be in. And you want to make content that's kind of around low competition keywords. So whether you are going to be promoting your affiliate product on a blog or website, or whether you're going to use a YouTube channel or a TikTok account or Instagram, what you want to do is you want to go to something like Google Keyword Planner. You want to type in a keyword that is in your niche, right? And then you're going to get a ton of keywords there that come up in Google Keyword Planner. You want to sort that by the column that says competition. And you want to start picking keywords that are low competition, because nobody else is targeting these awesome keywords. And you want to target these keywords that are low competition, and you're going to make a simple, short piece of content about each low competition keyword. And you're just going to teach one or two simple things in a blog post or in a 3-minute YouTube video or in a short series of TikTok videos where people are going to learn about this keyword in your niche. And as you begin to grow this content about all these keywords that are low competition, you are going to show up in the algorithms of Google and YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, because nobody else is targeting these keywords and you're making content specifically about these keywords. So it's kind of a guaranteed way to get in front of the eyeballs of your audiences. Now, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, right? This is going to take a little bit of time. You're not going to make much money after you've posted 10 videos or 10 articles. You need to have the mindset where you're going to create 30, 50, or 100 pieces of content before you really start to see some sales, some leads flow in through your business. So by having the right mindset that this is a legit business model that some of the most successful companies and successful entrepreneurs have used, and you have the mindset that you're going to invest 3 to 6 months into just consistently creating content around these low competition keywords, you will absolutely find success as an affiliate marketer. I mean, think about it. Even if this strategy took you a year, and after a year you finally started making a 6-figure income, that would absolutely be worth it, because if you spent 1 year building out a business that makes a 6-figure income for the rest of your life, that is absolutely worth the work that you put into it. So if you're looking for a side hustle that you could start with no investment, you could do, surveys online and make a few dollars a day there. You could try drop shipping like I did, and, you're going to make some money. But affiliate marketing is really a sustainable and reliable way to generate a 6-figure income online, versus a lot of these other methods. They may come and go, but if you learn the high income skills of affiliate marketing, you will always be able to generate an income, because products may come and go, platforms may come and go, but once you've learned the high income skills of an affiliate marketer, you can adapt and make money anywhere. If you want to jumpstart on this side hustle and really shorten the amount of time that it takes to start getting traffic to your affiliate products and offers, if you really want to kind of shorten the amount of time because you want to avoid all the mistakes that people make that are new in affiliate marketing, I want to recommend to you a product that I have been using myself to generate a 6-figure income. I'm going to put a link below this video in the description, and you could check it out and see what you think about it. No pressure. It's totally up to you, but I hope that you'll click on the link and check it out yourself. Take care.